Alright, you guys, we are back, and I found the video to. I think this is the video that I reacted to last to this guy's channel. This is a video by JOYSTICK, obviously. If you guys haven't seen the last video I reacted to of him winning this phone out of this machine, this is called Crazy Mandra Yells at Me for winning Apple iPhone XS. This is a part 2 of that video, so let's go ahead and hop into this and check this video out. Oh wait, this is.
Come on.
No.
Oh, this is not it, you guys. I thought this was gonna be part 2 of the last video I reacted to. I'm not mad at you guys on that, but yeah, you guys, let's just react to it. I thought this was gonna be it, cause yeah, kind of like a part 2, but yeah, my bad about that, you guys. That was a false title. But all right, let's check this out.
Oh my god. Oh my. Bro, you guys gotta get out of here. Sit.
What? Did I just hear that? Is that what?
What's going on, Joy fam? Really quick, before the video starts, I'm reminding everyone I'm still doing the iPhone XR giveaway in the month of February. So if you guys are watching this in the month of February in 2019, stay alert, subscribe now, turn on those bell notifications, because I'm going to be doing a random giveaway that you guys will have no idea when it starts. It's going to be in a 1-hour live stream, completely random. So subscribe now, turn on those bell notifications, follow my social media down in the description if you guys want hints when I'll be doing this giveaway. It will be very, very soon. So guys, please stay alert. I want everyone to have the best chance to win this iPhone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the video. What's up, Joy fam? We are back at the Ballpark Pizza in San Clemente. Guys, we're back at the stacker.
This is the stacker where you wanted what from?
iPhone XS from guy.
Come on.
No!
No way!
No way! Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
actually, did I get the XS?
Yeah. Holy
Awesome.
crap.
Dude, that's
Dude.
crazy. Check this out. Someone won the iPhone XR. That's crazy.
Whoa.
So we're gonna go for this
There's
wad
more
of
money
cash.
in there.
Yes, there's a lot of cash in here. We're gonna try to win this.
Ooh.
Last time this machine was pretty good to me, so I'm hoping we can repeat the process.
Let's see what happens.
Press start.
Let's
Hopefully
see
you
what
can win it.
happens.
It's still the slow speed.
Alright, here we go. Bottom's always easy, I guess. So.
Yeah, miner's always easy to win. You gotta win that cash. There you go, yeah, winner.
We're gonna keep going here.
Keep on going.
Go for the jackpot.
Oh, come on.
Alright, I guess it's not ready. So all that means is we have to keep playing. So we're just gonna
Keep trying.
insert another dollar.
What?
Press start.
And you're filming? Are you guys posting this on something? Yeah, I do YouTube. Is that alright? Oh man, no filming. Come on, you guys. You're gonna clean me out on this thing. Alright, Kevin, subscribe.
You got it.
Not cool, but you guys
Deal
too good.
winner.
Oh, no more this game. You guys might have to just take off. Bro, you guys gotta get out of here. Sit. Get out. Come on, no more.
Oh,
Get out.
Whatever
Alright
it
guys,
is.
this is crazy right now. We're outside of Ballpark Pizza and
Yeah.
we're getting kicked out because we were filming in there. And I tried to keep filming for you guys, but it was not happening. It was just really awkward. I didn't want to like keep pushing it. So I guess we're not allowed back in. We'll see. He's a really cool dude, so I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
We're kicked
I
out
don't-
forever.
What?
But,
You did
Yeah.
win an iPhone.
yeah, no, I was able to get one last time, so
Yeah.
unfortunately, I don't know
That sucks.
if there will be any more videos here. But thank you guys for watching anyways. This was an interesting video to say the
It
least.
is cold.
Yeah, it's super cold out. Let's get to my car, literally. It's right over here. But thank you guys for watching. If you like the
What?
video, let me know by liking the video and subscribing down below. Turn on bell notifications.
Bro, this dude got kicked out because of what? Man, that's ridiculous, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and do all that good stuff. Go subscribe to him as well. That's crazy, man. But yeah, peace out, you guys. Man, that's crazy.